Hey there, this is Neha. Lots of festivals are coming and we all are excited about that, and different sites, online marketing sites are giving full of discount or sales are going on each and every product like books, novels or fashion items, etc. So as you have already read the title, that today's video will going to be full of books that are under 100. Yes, you heard it correctly. These books are under 100. So let's start with the first book.
Selected Short Stories of Rabindranath Tagore. This short story collection of Rabindranath Tagore let one explore through variety of scenes of a human life. The stories are beautifully woven with words, and Tagore draws a clear picture of the emotions of an individual. This book, in fact, is the best way for any reader to have a look into Tagore's best literary work. Life is What You Make It by Peter Buffett. This book is one-time read, definitely not a book to keep as a collectible, but you can give it a try. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. The value of each book depends on how much you learn from it, and more importantly, how much you apply those learned principles in your real life. This book tells you about the best invention that has been made on earth till date. As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. This is a book on the thoughts of a man, what he thinks. This book is not an exhaustive explanation on the subject, power of thought, but a suggestive read. The book has 7 chapters and each chapter has sections to make the reading easier, comfortable and to the point. The Time Machine. It is a great story by a great writer, H.G. Wells. The book is of 128 pages. He travels in future with the help of his time machine. The cover of the book is very attractive. The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. It's an amazing book. The story is great. It's a small book of all around 80 pages, and at the end the story is nice and amazing. Next is The Great Gatsby by Scott Fitzgerald. This book is about a wealthy man named Jay Gatsby. Gatsby has many rumors spreading about him, as no one really knows who he is. Gatsby's American dream is to be with Daisy and to spend the rest of his life with her. However, he cannot fulfill this dream unless he is rich. The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking by Dale Carnegie. This book is not about speech techniques, but it is about emotions, virtues and stories that are required in order to be a memorable speaker. A speaker that the audience would listen to in dire times, consequences, to uplift themselves. The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. It's impossible to give this book anything other than 5 stars. At just 12 years old, Anne Frank wrote her diary with maturity, detail and incredible humor. Her emotions ranging from adventure, fear, horror and hope are conveyed in a way far outreaching her years. Next is Animal Farm by George Orwell. From logical thought process, Animal Farm is just a simple tale of animals outthrowing some farmers for their own control, but through this simple concept, Orwell manages to depict the path from revolution to all-out corruption. The book presents itself as an allegory of animals on a farm that outthrew the human in control and led a society devoted on the utmost equality and fairness between all animals. Overall, the story shows how a society's ideologies can be manipulated to lead to corruption by the ones in power. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Everyone has got to read this book at least once before they leave Earth. We suffer when solutions have always been right there with us. What I personally love about this book is that it's more than its title and suitable for persons of all ages. Nothing can truly change in our lives if our minds do not change. In this book, Napoleon helps us rewire our thinking and perceptions over again into producing a brain that is always capable and rid of all the incapacities we thought we had. Reading this book will not only help your finances but your life as well as a whole. Be it your academics, your career, your spiritual life, your family, your dream, and will also help you discover your purpose in life. The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde by Robert Louis Stevenson. As entertaining as a story this is, it holds a deep meaning and relevance to every human soul and mind. Evil and good are a part of every human being. The story emphasizes on how we tend to act out our evil sides more than how evil has been taking the upper hand in our character. The characters of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde are so well built that so much depth is added to the story. Though the book is only about 120 pages long, this is one of the best classics I have read. One spoiler can ruin the suspense for you. So keep away from spoilers if you are to read the book. If you want to start reading classics but the bulky one scares you, then this is the perfect place to start. It's a very small book and could be read in one single sitting, and is a perfect choice for a small vacation. Next is the book Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka, a true nightmarish classic from every aspect. I have heard that Franz Kafka is a very underrated writer. Well, it's really true. Franz Kafka is a very powerful writer indeed. The way he has upheld the inner turmoils of the protagonist, Gregor Samsa, is exceptional. The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. As an avid reader, I found this book to be untamed and the language was superb. Keeping it simple and vivid description, this transport me on the journey with the old man. People who like literature will love it. Those who have a tendency of rushing through should try. The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. This is a comic book of almost around 239 pages. The book introduces moral values and essence of forest and animals through a lovely story of Mowgli in attractive manner. The Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. See how beautiful the cover is. This book is very interesting and a very helpful book both for English learning as well as for suspense and imagination. The Prophet by Khalil Gibran. I'll keep this book in the top 5 you should read in your life. If you're searching for inner peace, then stop here. A book which make you feel every emotion. Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. This book helped me a lot to change my lifestyle. I recommend to all of you if you have been facing any major problem year to year. Once a time you should read it. I guarantee it will definitely help you to influence your mental skill. Believe in Yourself by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This book is actually an inspiration one which motivates a person to get success in his life. It's written in a simple language which helps us to understand it easily. The Girl Who Knew Too Much by Mr. Vikrant Khanna has beautifully expressed that your loved ones can be in your life even if they are dead. The cover of the book is beautiful and has this line written at the bottom. What if the loved ones you lost were to come back? Although the characters in this novel are fictitious but very influential. The Mayor of Casterbridge by Thomas Hardy. This is a great book, one of the masterpieces of Hardy's work, and this book is really interesting. This book I studied in 11th standard, but at that time I was not interested in reading. But our teacher, she taught us. But when I bought this book from Flipkart, I read it and found that it was quite interesting because the story is about the man of character Michael Henchard, the hero of the novel, and his character is interesting. Looking forward to have a review on it.
I know, I understand that you can't buy all these books that I have mentioned in this video, but I hope at least you will buy some books and you will prefer reading them. Till then, take care, bye-bye.